Why invest in real estate? Why invest in my fund? In my fund, all investors is gonna be 50-50%. My name is Oleksiy Ihnatenkov.
You can actually be a poor kid from nothing, and because of God's grace and mercy, He can put you in places you never ever thought you'd be. I was a kid out the dirt. Where I am today is because of that grace and mercy.
Today I wanted to show you why you should invest in real estate. Why in my fund? InvestCapitalRealEstate.com. InvestCapitalRealEstate.com. Why? Because of real estate. Real estate we can purchase with only 25% and buy it, the assets, then it's produced with cash flow from first month when we buy it. So maybe it's gonna take between 3 and 6 months to handle all these papers, and when we are gonna be own it, this property, then it's gonna be cash flow from first month. You imagine buy business, then it's almost working decades, and now when you buy it, it's yours in a cash flow from first month. You don't need to do anything more. Everything what is inside, everything, all tenants, everyone, it's cash flow, it's paid each month. So you have leverage, you have appreciation. And why we must to invest in this? Why you should invest with me? Because of I'm not greedy, I'm not selfish like a lot of people around there. They have companies, they have Fastigheiten, they have everything. They think about everybody think about himself. They fucking selfish. Why? Because of they buy it little. They think little. I think big, baby. I wanted to buy businesses. It cost 150 millions, 100 millions Swedish crowns, 15 million euro, 20 million euro, 50 million euro. What I wanted to buy big businesses, and I need you partner with me. How it's gonna work? Because I don't think about myself. My goal is so fucking big, then it can everybody can come with me, can be rich if you know what you're doing. All this a lot of little businesses, then it just buy it himself and just think about himself. They think little and they think about the competition. I don't want compete, I want dominate market. If for dominate market, we must to have partnership with other companies. You have Fastigheiten AB, you have company, partner with me. We're gonna buy big deals. Then it's provide us with cash flow for everyone who comes with us. No middleman, no bank for you, and you invest with me direct without the middleman. So you direct with me directly, and what I see in the deal, it's first, money back. You know you invest in long-term investment in real estate. When we put money there, is not liquid, so it's illiquid money. Because when we put in bricks in the company, like real estate produced with cash flow, with tenants inside, it's illiquid. We protect us capital with loan. So I take it loan in my company name, 75%, and I protect us capital. When you invest with me, you can invest if you want it like investor and be partner, direct partner with me, passive partner in this asset, then I buy it. Or you can lend me money. If you wanted to lend me money for short-term period, I'd pay you 10% from your money. If you lend 1 million, you lend half million, you lend 10 million Swedish crowns or 1 million euro, 100,000 euro, forever. I pay you 10%. But if you want to be partnership, it's gonna be cash flow per year between 3, 4, 5, 6%, because of when I buy it assets, it's gonna cash flow between 3, 4 or 5% max. So my goal here is increase cap rate What does this mean? Yield. From 3% or 4% to 15%. And I have my strategy for doing this. Because I'm doing here in single families, it is working, and I do it in the little deals. So now my goal is gone to big deals. So partner with me, we're gonna increase us incomes for time, because when we put us money, imagine this, we need 50 million for buy this property. I'm first investor here. I put my money, and I put 75% my name, my reputation in the hook. So I take it loan 100 million in my name. I put my reputation in the hook, and I put money also there. So I need more people come with me, because we need 25%. I need 50 millions. 50 people with 1 million Swedish crowns. It's 100,000 euro. 50 people, or maybe 25 people with 2 million, or maybe 3 people, or maybe 5 people with 10 million. So 1 million euro. 5 people with 1 million euro. So you're gonna be partner direct with me. We put 25%. I finance 75%, and what we do, we protect this money. I don't want to lose this money. So this money, first, I'm looking in the deal for back money. And next video, I'm gonna explain how you can back your money, how you calculate a deal, which kind of deal you can buy it, which kind of deals I'm looking for. Subscribe in my channel, see in my TikTok, see my YouTube, all social media, everything what I'm do, everything what you see me to do in the social media, I'm created some vehicle, and I promote for everybody know my name, everybody know my company name, investcapitalrealestate.com, so everybody can jump in my vehicle and be passive investor with me. If you don't want to be passive investor, okay, be louder. But in this one, you're gonna increase your money for 2-3 times. But it's gonna take between 3, 5, 10 years. If you wanted to lend money, you don't want to increase your money for 3 times, 2 times, so lend money for 10%. In 1 year, 2 years max, you're gonna get your money back. And you're gonna get only 20 or 10% from your money. So you think little, because you don't know what that mean be partner in the big deals. Because in the big deals, we get first money back. Number 2, I'm looking for cash flow. So I buy businesses, then it's cash flow from first month. And number 3, you get your piece of cake back. So first you get your money back. You don't have any money in this deal, but you still cash flow. You still there, partner. So after you have cash flow each month. Number 3, you get your piece of cake when I refinance, or maybe I'm exit, no exit, or maybe when I sell it, because you're my partner in this deal. And this deal is not only one I'm gonna buy it. When I buy this deal, I automated my business to working self. Tell me something, when you little guy there, and you think little, your business can work without you? No. But I'm looking for big deals, then it can working without me. Then I structure system is gonna working without me, and I become passive investors. All partners, passive partners, which come with me, we become passive investor. And we don't need to change us time for handle the problems in this business, because I have team that can handle all these problems, and I can focus and buy another business, and buy another business, and buy another business. Multiplied cash flow, difference income from different places. That's what you're looking for be free, and make it you freedom for you, for your family, and for your business, or for your partnership, for everyone, for your charity, for everybody you want it. So that's 3 reasons when I looking for in the business when I buy it. Do you want to partner with me? My name is Oleksiy Ihnatenkov. check my box below. You can find my social media, you can find my business card. Welcome. You can call me, schedule calls, and you can be directly partner with me. Go check look investcapitalrealestate.com, investcapitalrealestate.com. Be my partner. Put your money in some vehicle, then you don't get, you lose your money.
I buy something stupid. How stupid can you go? You can go as stupid as your cash flow.